That sounds way much better. Like it's
Um,
so clean. Like there's no background noise. There's no echoing. Like this is studio
Perfect.
level. Absolutely perfect. Like I don't have to isolate any noise when I edit now, or voice from background noise.
We are
There's still a
growing, eh?
little bit of there's a little bit of noise coming from somewhere. Just tiny bit, tiny bit. I'm not sure if you can pick it up, Malusi.
Can we eliminate?
Process of elimination.
Look, it can be me. It can be me. It doesn't mean that it's a Qatar.
Yerre. Master Sibanda. No pun intended. Don't worry, man. It's sometimes when it's late out here in Australasian countries, we make jokes. So you're fine.
And we get it on your sleep high.
All right. You know what?
Yeah.
Let's start working, guys. You can unmute your mic now. I think that we can positively confirm that the noise is coming from your end because it's no longer present.